I'm an immigration lawyer. I fight for the rights of immigrants who are hoping to stay in the United States. And thank you very much for watching this. That means that you've already called my office and you've already had your free 15-minute case evaluation with one of our office's paralegals. It also means that you've scheduled a consultation to come in and to meet with me or one of the attorneys in my office to really find out if we can work together and form an attorney-client relationship. So thank you very much. And what I'd like to do today is just take about 5 minutes and explain what's going to happen in the consultation so you don't have any surprises, I guess. And I also want to explain a little bit about my office so that you can see the value and what sets our office apart perhaps from other immigration offices. Okay? So regarding the consultation, generally speaking, the consultation takes about 45 minutes with the attorney. We ask that you arrive 15 minutes early so that in total you should plan about an hour for the consultation. And the point of the consultation is really to first determine what options you have, what immigration-related options that you have. Second, to determine strategy. So if there are multiple options, or if one option might be stronger and another weaker, or if the one option that you have is, perhaps involves some risk, or whether it's not a super strong case or something like that, we want to make this as clear as possible. Okay, and then the third thing is really to make a decision, and it's a decision from your end that would decide whether or not you really want the legal service, and it's a decision from our end as well to see whether or not your case or you are a good fit for our office. One thing to expect before the consultation is hopefully you'll get a packet in the mail. Sometimes it's sent via email with a questionnaire. That questionnaire contains a lot of information that can help us better help you. In order to really understand each of your immigration options, and in order for us to really take a look at which strategy is best in your situation, we have to know a lot of information about you first, okay? On the note of information, everything that you tell my office, everything that you give to my office is 100% confidential. It will be kept absolutely private, okay? And we don't want you to have any doubt whatsoever about that. Everything that you tell us is safe. It's incredibly important that you're honest with us, and if you really want us to help you, we really need to know a lot of details about your life and your situation. For example, we need to know when you came to the United States, why you came to the United States, who did you come with? Were you alone or did you come with your family? Do you have family now? Are you married? Do you have kids? Are you working? All of these bits of information can help us determine what type of case you may or may not have. Okay? So that's pretty much it about the consultation. We do charge $125 for it, but we give a lot of value in the consultation, and we really are happy that you've taken that first step to go ahead and get yours scheduled. Okay? So the next question is, what sets our office apart? Our office has various things that I think are unique. Okay? First of all, anyone that hires my office gets one attorney and one paralegal to help me put your case together. We find that we win cases more often, and we do a better job and a faster job and a more efficient job helping you when we work as a team. Okay? So as part of working with our office, you can expect to work with teamwork. Okay? Another interesting thing that sets our office apart is what we call our monthly file review. We guarantee that you will get at least some update on your case. Often it's, hey, your case has already been filed and we're waiting for the government to respond to what we've submitted, so there's nothing urgent or nothing new to do. But every once in a while, you'll get a notice. Hey, there's a hearing coming up in the next 90 days. Hey, there's an invoice that's outstanding. Hey, there's information that we're waiting for you to get to us. So that we're always on the same page throughout the life of your immigration case. Another thing that's important to note about our office is that we want all of our clients to know that we've got your back in the event something bad happens to you during the life of your case. So if immigration comes and knocks on the door and detains you, call us. That is an emergency. If immigration comes, if you're arrested by the police, if you're the victim of a serious crime, call our office because we will attend to your emergency. We have got your back throughout the life of your being our client. That doesn't mean that we will drop everything and run to file something in criminal court for you if you did something bad, but it will mean that we will do everything possible to help ameliorate the immigration consequences. We'll stick to our practice area, but we will fight, and we have got your back throughout your case. Okay? I should also say that emergency representation is not necessarily free, all right? It depends on what's happening in your case. But we will, if you are already our client, we will act now and worry about money later, which I think is very different than the way a lot of law firms will do things. Okay. Another important thing is communication. So our office tries to be accessible and available to all of our clients. We have a reception service that answers all of our calls. They can schedule a phone appointment on my calendar, on your paralegal's calendar, for any time that's mutually convenient for you and for us, okay? And so that is always an option to be able to communicate with whoever it is you're looking to communicate with in my office, okay? Another thing that sets our office apart is our file retention policy. So during the life of your case, we keep a file for you. Everything in that file is confidential. At the end of your case, we have a meeting, we get together, we hand you your whole file back, along with a CD burnt of all the electronic records on your case, okay? The electronic records we keep backed up on our server for the rest of your life, because we hope that in the future, if you have another situation or if something else comes up, maybe you recently applied for a green card and down the road you want to apply for citizenship, we have your information, and so we can help you do that in a quick and easy manner. And so the last thing I want to say is really about the vision of my office. We have a young office, really. I opened my doors in January of 2011, but we are growing. I now have 2 offices in operation, one in San Francisco, one in Oakland. We have a staff of 5, and we are growing. We are passionate about what we do, and really what I want to do is to grow my office to the point where I can support political candidates that will vote in Washington and that will move Washington, D.C. for a more common sense and a less restrictive manner on who can enter and who can stay in this country. Okay? That is my long-term goal. The specifics of how to get there are something that we can always discuss. But the bottom line is immigration laws are often very harsh. And I know and I am trying to change the often unjust consequences of immigration law. I'm the son of the pastor. I'm a son of a pastor, and so I grew up going to church on Sundays, and I wholeheartedly believe that loving our neighbors means that we should not be deporting our neighbors. And with that, I really thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you at your consultation. So thank you for watching. Bye.